So we've got this little problem here. We got a snake that's in our work area. So we're trying to cut out these logs right here. And he apparently is living in some decay between the logs and the fireplace. So we're trying to catch him, and we don't want to kill him. He's a good snake. I guess you'd say good snake. So that is our issue. He keeps popping his head out, looking at me, and going right back in. What we're doing is we're blowing air on the opposite side of the fireplace, trying to force him to come out. He's going to come out any second here. What we don't want is, you can see where we've cut out those logs to the right of the fireplace. There's an opening into the crawl space. We don't want him going down there. He's going to be real hard to catch if he does. Plus, we got to go down there and work on the structure. I don't like snakes. Come on, little guy. He's going under the house, which we don't want. Come on. No, no. I know it's not poisonous, but I still don't like it. Okay, I need a new job. Okay. All right, we're gonna let this guy go. It's pretty long. Well, after feeling good about myself for catching the snake, come back and find out that there's two more pretty good sized ones. We ended up having to catch both of those, and we let both of those go too. So hopefully that is the last of the snakes in this house. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that subscribe button. Also, check us out at loghomeresources.com, where you'll find a lot more information just like this to help you with your log home. Thank you.